Oh, not again. Oh, sorry, don't do that again.
This will be a YouTube job.
It is a YouTube job, don't you, Woody? Look at the flames on that.
When all those conifers go up.
Imagine the insurance company getting hold of this. The size of that.
Okay. Let's hope this one goes up and away instead of up, down and then.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, here we go. They haven't quite mastered it yet.
Still a bit windy.
It's alright, you've still got another, what, 18 to master it? Oh, sorry, 17.
No, 17, I thought it was 18. No, because it's that one up. Yeah, and you had 20. It was the 20, I thought it was 19.
Just gently let go.
Hey!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Look out! It's up next door! Oh shit, here we go again!
Oh no, not again! Straight between the conifers, about taking the roof off.
We screwed the roof better this time.
Oh, there you go, look.
We've got his mastered.
Dad, I think it goes on to...
Don't throw your heads out your windows.
Andrew, it needs fireworks.
I thought it was going to take...
Now get the rockets out. Try and shoot it down.
Mum, there's another one over there.
I was there.
Open the door.
There's what somebody else's. I can't even see it. It's that oh, there. That's how far it is. That's on full zoom.
Yeah, but it's surprising they don't.
Oh, those are massive
Paper
things.
don't just get soaked and wet.
Can't tell if it'll come down.
I know we're not.
Can I have a go?
Where's Little in it? She come out.
She's not interested. This one's bound to take an house out or something, can it? Because I'm letting it go.
No to do with me.
Put his name on it.
Yeah. Oh, kid! It's just wrecked your bloody lights. Put it on the table, Carl.
How could you, Carl?
Pull the other ones up, else they're going to go as well.
Yeah, what we lighting them with that?
The lighter? Here.
Don't take it!
Just like start to
Not doing nothing, yeah. Oh, that's how you do it.
Bye.
Oh, look out!
No, that has actually gone better, that one. That's...
Hey! Champione!
On the piss.
That was up and away, matey.
Just got to keep hold of them.
You just got to wait until it actually takes off in its own.
Yeah.
Until you feel it pulling.
Yeah.
we do leave it and see if the tiny turn out. Even if I drop it.
No, dropping it, no dropping it. Just a bit long, just a little bit. Two trees.
Ready.
Ready? Come on then.
Tugging, go. Go on.
Yes, it.
It goes out again with Steve. It's every time he gets hold of them.
You got a dodgy one.
Ready?
He's down. He's down.
Oh, quick grab it.
No,
We had this last time with him.
You have to run down the garden with it.
Watching it don't lift you off as well, Steve.
Oh, it's
Got
hovering.
blow on it.
It's a hover.
Blow, blow, quick blow. Oh. Oh.
It's just cleared.
Oh no! Oh fucking hell! Oh my God! Look, he's gone in the garden.
It's hovering around there.
Yeah, pop! Oh, pop! No, down. Oi! No, it's down. No, it's coming down. It's coming down.
It's next door. In the light hanging outside.
5 years, Bree. Come on, let's have a look. Sarah.
Come on then, Sarah.
Sarah, come on.
Come on, Sarah. It's going on YouTube. Oh, it's going on YouTube.
Oh, all right then.
The minute that you mentioned YouTube.
Stop doing it. Please.
Not growing.
Groping.
You need to have them up, Sam. Pert.
They're not even straight.
Well, we've heard Sarah, but you know, we don't mind. Go on for it.
You love that. That one needs to go down.
That one needs to go where?
I've got new firework here.